In tonight's Dollars and Cents, here's something you don't hear every day. Northern California at the bottom of a new real estate list. A Zillow report of the hottest housing markets in 2025 shows several major California cities were beaten out by markets in the Northeast and Midwest. How is this possible? I turned to a local real estate expert for answers and what these changes mean for you. Generally, you would expect cities in California to top any real estate list because housing prices and demand are so high. But a recent analysis from Zillow is flipping that long-held expectation on its head. Zillow's forecast for the hottest 50 U.S. housing markets for 2025 puts Buffalo, New York at number 1, Indianapolis at number 2. Scroll down toward the bottom to find Sacramento at number 37, outranking San Jose at 48 and San Francisco at 49.
We are not surprised. We have felt it for a while.
Northern California realtor Susan Vallejo says buyers are concerned about affordability and the higher 6 to 7% interest rates they're facing right now.
With the economy, with politics even, I think people are just a little bit more guarded.
It's been tough for sellers too.
We're not seeing multiple offers. We are not seeing very many go over the list price.
The Zillow report looks into several factors like local house value growth and how quickly homes sell. It also considers job growth per new home permitted and expected growth in owner-occupied homes. For Sacramento, Zillow forecasts 0% home value growth and 0 jobs per new home permitted.
Susan, what does this mean for homeowners, buyers, and sellers?
I think affordability is a big deal, for a lot of people. You have to have such a high income in order to live in those areas that you're really pushing out the middle class buyers.
Is there anything the data is not telling us?
One thing to think about is that a lot of people either purchased when we were at the 2.75% interest rates and 3% interest rates, and those people they don't want to lose that.
As a result, there's less incentive for that group of homeowners to sell their homes, and high interest rates are reducing buyers' purchasing power. But Vallejo says don't let that scare you from potentially building your equity and generational wealth.
Rather than waiting for interest rates to come down, if you can afford to purchase a home now, purchase what you can afford. Use this as your nest egg. Start building your own wealth now.
Keep in mind, these real estate challenges come as our region has some of the fastest growing cities in the state. I explore that in a special Dollars and Cents series where I look at why they're growing and what that growth means for your community. You can see those full stories and a link to the full Zillow report on our website, abc10.com, and streaming now on the ABC 10 Plus TV streaming app. The app is free to download on your TV. You can also email me your questions at lpainter@abc10.com.